Welcome back for another 3D printing Tinkercad tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to export your projects for printing. First, sign into your Tinkercad.com account. Choose the project you will print and click Tinker This. I always check my project before printing. I want to make sure everything is aligned how I need it and that the project is on the base, 0, the Z-axis measurement. I also try to center the project on the grid as best as possible. After verifying everything, I click the Export button in the upper right corner. Make sure you have the option Everything in Design selected so you print the whole project. Each printer is different, but we will be using a FlashForge Finder printer. This printer uses STL files and converts them into a GX file for printing. Once clicked, the project will download. Open the project by double-clicking the item. I already have my 3D printer software installed. Each printer uses different software, and there are free conversion softwares online for different brands. FlashForge is great because it already has its own software called FlashPrint that allows you to easily input with the printer you're using, so printing is simplified. The program opens my project. I hit repair as sometimes there are small issues with the print when converting. The FlashPrint software comes with different options, but there are a few you may use often. The Move tool to move your object on the plane, the Rotate tool to turn it on the X, Y, or Z axis, the Scale tool to make bigger or smaller prints. If the box turns red, you're out of the printing area of your printer, so be wary of that. The Cut tool, which allows you to slice your project in half. Next are support options. Sometimes when a print is top heavy, you need supports. The ears and other parts of the print need support since they stick out. There are two kinds of supports, tree-like and linear. Tree-like has less connection spots, but they tend to be harder to remove. Linear has more connection spots, but is thinner and easier to pull off of your print. You can use auto supports to find areas that need supports, but you can also put them in manually. I prefer auto as it saves a lot of time. I save the project file. Next, I hit the print button. This is so I can have my GX file for my printer. I save the GX file and then open up my document folder, put them onto a USB. You need a USB in order to get the file onto your 3D printer. In the future, I'll go into depth about printing from a 3D printer and the screen dialogues. But that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in!